Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So this is my winter cozy morning routine slash what I eat in a day. So if that's something you want to see, just keep watching. So I'm just changing into a cozy outfit after washing my face, brushing my teeth, all of that. Then I go into the kitchen and light a candle. I'm still finishing up my fall candle. And then I love to start with my gallon of water and a cup of tea. So I'm having elderberry tea this morning. Because it's super early and cold outside, I don't really rush into like a hard workout or anything. I like to start out with some stretching, some yoga, keep my cozy socks on, keep it nice and warm. How many times can I say cozy? And then I get the workday started. I light a candle in the office and I turn on, of course, a Hallmark Christmas movie. And these just run all day in the background as I'm working. Now it's daylight outside and I tidy up the kitchen. I also had some chicken in the crock pot. And then I love to set up the coffee station for AJ and I with our vitamins. That's a great way to stack your habits and make sure you take your vitamins every day. So I get our multivitamins out, our vitamin D, which is great for immunity, and our collagen. And we've been loving the Garden of Life brand lately. Of course, pulling out one of the Christmas mugs, one of the few that you'll see all season long for Vlogmas. And then I have my collagen with my coffee. It's a great way to sweeten coffee without using creamer and you get the health benefits. So I just do the collagen, it's vanilla flavored and cinnamon. And then my favorite morning show is on, Home and Family, and I just have my cup of coffee and my cozy blanket. So it is now a little after 10 o'clock and that's about the time when I like to eat. So I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, some Greek yogurt, a cup of fruit, and then I'm showing you also my meal containers today. So that is a great way for me to stay on track in terms of making sure I'm eating enough. Like that's one of the things that if I'm training, if I have any type of fitness goal, I need to eat more than what I typically eat. Like I can eat one meal and it may not be the healthiest or it may be a lot of calories, but it's still not enough and not enough of the right food groups. So I'm not getting enough greens or there's like a lack somewhere. So I love using my meal containers when I just need to stay more consistent with making sure I'm getting the right amount of veggies, protein, fat, like all the things. Like nothing is being eliminated. In fact, more so added. So I'm making AJ and I a salad for lunch today. I love to mix my greens. That makes the best salad. So arugula, spring mix, garden, like whatever you like, spinach. I love to mix it all because it adds a nice crunch to your salad. And then I'm using some of the chicken that I made from the crock pot. Also, one of my salad tips is to season it. You don't have to use salt, but use some herbs. Use some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, pepper to spice up your salad and make it more flavorful without having to use a ton of dressing. I personally don't like a lot of dressing. This little orange container that you see here is what my dressing will be put in, and it is like the perfect amount of dressing where it gets all over your salad but it's not like drenched. The salad dressing that I'm using is a dairy-free dressing. I believe it's by Field Dressings, but it's so good. It's ranch, but it's dairy-free. And then I do use a little yellow container for carbs. I forgot to show that here, but added on some croutons, and that was lunch. Moving on to dinner, so the ground turkey and the bell peppers and onions that I prepped last night, it turned that into some tacos for dinner. So these were absolutely delicious. I also topped with some salsa, squeezed a little lime juice, and like I said, these were absolutely delicious. And I'm showing you guys my little water that I have left to drink this evening. And last but not least, a slice of sweet potato pie, which is not on my meal plan, but you guys know I had to make that second pie. That had to get eaten. So I enjoyed my slice of pie, and that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you're subscribed and give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of what I eat in the days and morning routines, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah.